The whole reviving a classic brand thing is usually all about nostalgia. But with Scout Motors, it's been different. They made a smart, almost cynical business decision from day one. They weren't just going all in on a pure EV. They decided to launch with both a full electric and a range-extended powertrain. And now, as production gets closer, we're seeing the final design, and there's some interesting stuff happening here. If you saw the early concepts for the Traveler SUV and Terra pickup, get ready for an anticlimax. The final production models showing up at the LA Auto Show are almost a mirror image of the prototypes. And honestly, that's a good sign. It means the core design was solid from the jump. But there was one key spot where reality hit, and it's a tiny, subtle change on the outside. The original design had these really elegant daytime running lights, the DRLs, that bled gracefully right into the metal of the body panels. Super sleek, super high-end look. The problem? Scout's chief design officer, Chris Benjamin, admitted that executing that at scale was just too intricate, too complex, and way too expensive to stamp. So instead, they're using what they call a cool insert. It keeps the visual intent, the look, but it's a manufacturing win. It saves money, simplifies production, and is the kind of tiny compromise you have to make when you're building a brand new vehicle from scratch. Here's where Scout's initial decision to offer two powertrains really pays off. They have the full EV, and they have the extended range electric vehicle, EREV. It's basically an EV with a gas generator, not for driving the wheels, but just to charge the battery. This setup gives the EREV a projected total range of over 500 miles, which is huge for traditional truck buyers who still have range anxiety. The genius move is that because they didn't commit to only the EV, they have flexibility. If the EV market continues to slow down, they can lean heavily into the EREV. It's a brilliant way to future-proof the launch. Pre-production starts late 2026, with customer deliveries targeting 2027. By then, the market could shift, but Scout will have something for everyone. Under the skin, the whole platform is benefiting from some heavy hitters. The electrical architecture, which is key for any modern vehicle, is leveraging the Volkswagen-Rivian joint venture, bringing some serious tech credibility to Scout's focus on durability. And the batteries? Those are coming from Volkswagen Group's in-house PowerCo network. This is an all-star team for a brand new vehicle. Finally, the price. Scout is still publicly targeting a sub-$60,000 entry point. That is a critical number in this segment, especially with competitors like Rivian and upcoming vehicles from other brands. It remains to be seen if they can hit that as material costs fluctuate, but it's a huge commitment that will determine how many people can get one in their driveway. Overall, what we're seeing with Scout is a company that is being extremely strategic. Small, smart compromises on design, a flexible powertrain strategy, and a major push to hit a key price point. It's not just about the classic badge, it's about a smart entry into a brutal market. What are your thoughts on that EREV strategy? Are you team all electric, or does that 500-mile range sound like the perfect sweet spot? Let me know in the comments below. And hey, if you found this breakdown insightful, do me a favor. Like this video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our next deep dive.